previously. But if I told you that there's a fungus that turns ants into zombies, it's called Ophiocordyceps. It infects an ant, takes over its brain, and controls its every move. This virtual writes everything. Now let's decode it. Welcome to the MindGlitch Matrix, where nature writes its own code. Deep inside the tropical forest, something unthinkable is happening. A fungus, yes, a fungus, is hijacking brains. One ant at a time. Somewhere deep in the forest, nature broke its own rules. You're not just watching nature, you're watching it get hacked. This is Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. Its name, Ophiocordyceps unilateralis. It doesn't kill right away, it infects, it waits, then it revises the rules. This parasitic fungus targets carpenter ants and invades their bodies, but it doesn't stop at infection, it takes control. When the ant gets infected by spore, it leaves the safety of its colony. The final act, climb, bite and die. The fungus takes over. From here, it dies, frozen in a dead grip. But this is only the beginning. Days later, a stalk erupts from its skull. Spores rain on the forest floor, waiting for the next victim. It's a cycle, a strategy, a biological glitch in the system. With each gust of the wind, millions of microscopic spores are released, invisible assassins floating through the air, seeking their next victim. These spores drift silently, waiting for an ant unlucky enough to pass by. Imagine this, an army of spores, each with a single goal, to rewrite the will of another creature. But what if this isn't just a battle for survival? What if it's a glimpse into the future of mind control, nature's ultimate glitch? Scientists still don't know how it works. The fungus may not even reach the brain, yet controls behavior. It could manipulate muscle, chemicals, signals. What if other organisms, maybe even higher beings, are vulnerable too? What if this fungus isn't unique? What if there are others, still undiscovered, just waiting? If this fungus can take control of ants' mind, then how it might affect us? What if it's evolving, adapting, finding new ways to infect more complex hosts, hidden in the shadows, silent and patient, waiting for the right moment to cross the line? Could it be influencing our thoughts or behaviors without us even realizing it? The line between free will and control begins to blur. In the end, it's not just a fungus. It's a reminder, even the smallest force in the nature can control minds. A mind controlled by nature, a death designed by evolution. This was just one glitch in the matrix.